What is this?
Maybach music.
I like this Maybach music. Sweet.
Niggas wanna see you lose when you're making moves. We bringing tools in any rooms, we try to break the rules. Niggas is haters, they ain't goons, we try to make a fool. I never thought I'd make fours before I made the news. Having a threesome with some bitches, it still ain't the muse. I pick and choose, put on my juice like I lit the fuse. I call the shots and all the killers be like, what's the move? 100 grand, you and your little man getting split in two. My life got way realer. Playing with the millions and it turned me to a made nigga. Anywhere in the cash is I reacted when they play with it. Statements got retracted when niggas read it cause we sprayed niggas. Mafioso, sipping low balls, jumping off the chopper to the yacht. Off the Gold Coast, we was sold choppers on the block, selling cocoa. Now we treating models like they thoughts out in Soho. 30 million cash, do these niggas bad. They never thought I'd go this far just from a pen and pad. I see my dog kill my dog just to get a stab. He went up top, they banged him out, got that nigga slagged. Oh my. Too much money and power, walk up in the spot, a bunch of steps, we talking the chopper. Too much money and power.
Hustling 24 hours.
Too much money and power. Stumble to the pounds with a baddie to fuck in the shower. Too much money and power.
Hustling 24 hours. I left 15 of niggas in the red tape. Digging through their pockets, left their shoes unlaced. Homicide on another case. Mouth wide, gold teeth with a pale face. My niggas couldn't read, had impediments, but they never would leave any evidence. Your mother still in pain, it been a few days, but you know this all it came with minimum wage. They thought it was a game till the shots rang. 6 niggas laying on the same box spring. How you dead broke but got a dope charge? Gotta rob a bank just to post bond. Got a chopper with me for the close calls. Helicopter on the roof cause I won't walk. Killing niggas in the streets, I call it a feast. 20 million I could see and all in a week. We only on the yachts for tequila shots. There's only paper word when we lead a lot. Calamari in California, yeah, I wanna kiss. All you envious devil demons, you can suck a dick, bitch. I hope you die slow with your blindfold. Your bitch still at home with her mind blown. I got a pool in Paris and some buffaloes, and I got a pool in Paris and a bungalow. Still flipping numbers, talking summer sauce. Everybody get to eat, that's when I wanna call. I'm sipping champagne, I own it myself. You niggas better learn to own you some wealth. Too much money and power, walk up in the spot, a bunch of steps, we talking the chopper. Too much money and power. Hustling 24 hours. Too much money and power, stumble to the pounds with a baddie to fuck in the shower. Too much money and power.
Oh shit, look at my wrist, brr, I just bust that quick. They don't know about the life I live, man, make bare peas and buy new sticks. 023 man's taking risks, by 024 I need 3 more cribs. I just got me a house with the marble floors and the doors got matching prints. Oh shit, look at my wrist, brr, I just bust that quick. They don't know about the life I live, man, make bare peas and buy new sticks. 023 man's taking risks, by 024 I need 3 more cribs. I just got me a house with the marble floors and the doors got matching prints. Central C said he's king of this shit, gotta big him up once cause he made some hits. But no way can I say that's true. If I'm on the same track, I better man get ripped. Voice your opinion, said my opinion. I ain't gonna lie, boy, it ain't no diss. But let me show you the life I live. I only rap part-time and I still got rich. Last year I dropped 2 tunes and cut. The year before that I dropped 3 then ducked. Can't compare me to none of these babies. I only rap twice in a year, that's fucked. Ain't about all the flows being sick no more. It's not about all the bars being lit no more. Gonna take what's mine, let me take my shine. I don't know why keeps wifing hoes. Root there might move too smoky. so mind how you approach me. I see bare fans laugh at Lowski, small little whack, it can still get smoky. RS3 when I come through Central, big X6 sign pushing no rental. I still pray for the innocent lives, rest in peace everybody from Grenfell. Boy better know like Skep and Jammer, fuck them man there cause they know who's badder. I got shooters around this hammer, shout my Marlies cause they call it Hubbard. Boss that thing can't miss like Saka, do it like Messi, shit I mean Kaka. They all scream out Black Lives Matter, bros outside tryna smoke man's Manta. Oh shit, look at my wrist, brr, I just bust that quick. They don't know about the life I live, man, make bare peas and buy new sticks. 023 man's taking risks, by 024 I need 3 more cribs. I just got me a house with the marble floors and the doors got matching prints. Oh shit, look at my wrist, brr, I just bust that quick. They don't know about the life I live, man, make bare peas and buy new sticks. 023 man's taking risks, by 024 I need 3 more cribs. I just got me a house with the marble floors and the doors got matching prints.
Show just put plates in an Audi. Got a next thing so I out 2 cars up. Charged up, ain't not one of us lousy. Every passenger's got them a hunt for the pagans that were hunting a bounty. Both city don't feel it gotta be posted. Trust me, that out here, bro, don't doubt me. Banged up loudly, gotta got saying the land is smelling like Amsterdam. Coke copper, she's a block hopper. She loves to jump from gang to gang, from man to man. How you so bad? Dogs, I miss them, I need them back. Got me reminiscing, looking at snaps. They segregating most of my batch, darling, I won't lie, I'm a lonely lad. Someone from the S just taped off. I don't know why I'm getting the blame. I heard you done it was master the brim, so I don't know why they're saying my name. In the rave, I got a full safe. You think we can only bring a few blades?
Are you insane? Are you thinking straight?
Don't dead me, how's the gauge on bro's waist? Stuff 762s in the babes. Flat head for your brain. Don't get me started on safe. I swear my man got bun in his face. I know every time he FaceTimes babe, she tries not to laugh. Oh man, what a shame. Shorty, my man ain't the man you want. You need someone who puts man in a place. Got her a snake eye piercing, I couldn't ask for more. She gets brave, she's using her thoughts. She needs her throat, got a award. Them man there who jump in the booth, make tunes and never in their life they scored. I ain't a rapper, bitch, I'm a stepper on different types of tours I perform. Wet that once and he dropped to the floor. Wet that more, I beg you stop screaming. Wet that down and my trap start tracksuit. What I did with my clothes is a secret. Body luck just being poured and I'm out most favorites. Race Hennessy and semen. Find anybody in no. Go to another hood like Adam Deacon. Speeding, creeping a Prius, silent treatment. G-shit. Sorry this ride that I cut with a cabman. Couldn't keep tiny and false. Madman tried to create a new long-lived hashtag. Chrome and snow and I glide for the Snapchat. Don't back gang and you turn like M1's home and they brought Jats back. I'm impatient waiting for splash that. Back then we had that Astro Rampart 6-man glide got everyone squat. It's a vibe all the time chilling with my fiends. Gave Chris and Sean the test of the rock. M10 weren't even free for a year. It's hurting my heart and he's back in the walk. God, he went out wrong. Thanks a lot for that lovely drop. Show just put plates in an Audi. Got a next thing so I out 2 cars up. Charged up, ain't not one of us lousy. Every passenger's got them a hunt for the pagans that were hunting a bounty. Both city don't feel they gotta be posted. Trust me, that out here, bro.